The boxer in the red corner, representing Philippines, Bautista Ian Clark. In the blue corner, representing Thailand, Sarawut Sukte.
Sarawut Suktet of Thailand kontra kay Ian Clark Bautista. Mas bata itong Thai, 24 years old kontra sa veterano na si Ian Clark Bautista, competing sa kanyang pang-anim na Southeast Asian Games. A spot in the next round in the semifinals and a guaranteed medal will be up for grabs. Good start for Ian Clark Bautista. That will be the next match. But then this is the most difficult one. This is the one that many thought would be the gold medal match. Sarawut Suktet na ikinagulat nitong si Ian Clark Bautista. Pero mas bata man, palaban itong si Suktet na pinapakita niya kontra kay Bautista. This round still up for grabs. Wala pa ring malinaw kung sino yung pwedeng magpanalo nitong first round. Dahil parehong may maganda naman na napapatama itong dalawa. Good body work from Ian Clark Bautista. Sasalag din niya yung karamihan ng mga patama ni Sarawut Suktet. Kita niyo po, mas matangkad ng kaunti si Sarawut Suktet. Kaya pwede siyang magpatama mula sa labas. Paano yan susolusyonan ni Ian Clark Bautista? Karamihan itong mga 1-2 nasasalag naman. Pero syempre, nagre-react yung crowd. Balanse yung pagka-agresibo at yung patama sa labas nitong si Sarawut. Habang itong si Ian Clark Bautista, inaaral pa kung paano papasukan yung set para bumalik siya sa labas. Kung saan yun, nagpapatama ng magaganda mula sa labas. Good combination from Ian Clark Bautista. So, kailangan trabahuhin talaga. Kailangan mas marami yung bitawan kontra kay Suktet. Finding an awkward opponent dito kay Sarawut Suktet. Lunging with the right hand. Nakakapusin for turning his back. So, no warnings for holding para dito kay Suktet. Right hand. Parson. Good exchange here. Both trying to make a statement at the end of this second round. Feel na nasa delikadong sitwasyon na yung kalaban mo. Kaya Ian Clark Bautista will have to work double time. Find his angles quickly here in the third round. Kailangan iangat yung activity nitong si Bautista. He's really trying. Good left hook landing there. Another grazing left hook connecting. Hawak ng hawak talaga itong si Suktet. For Ian Clark Bautista, you already see a little sign of desperation from Ian Clark. Loading up on that right hand, looking for a big punch kontra kay Suktet. Trying to not waste any time, still move forward. Habang nasa labas lang. Ito si Sarawut Suktet. Good right hand from Bautista. And every time it gets close, a clinch from the blue corner. Minute and 20 seconds remaining. It will be interesting how the referees see this. How the judges will score it. Dahil maganda naman yung trabaho na ginawa nitong si Ian Clark Bautista. Did he do enough to convince them to hand him this win as he lands another big right? First Thailand versus Philippines match dito sa 33rd Southeast Asian Games. Bautista, the SEA Games veteran, will receive another warning. Bautista still trying to march forward. Umaatake pa rin. And so many warnings given out by this referee. Pero kasama yon sa taktika nitong si Sarawut Suktet. Kasama yon sa kanyang pinaghandaan. Here's the decision.
The winner by unanimous decision in the blue corner.